Are you ready? Cause I'm not, but let's go. Okay, in the TileBoy system, we have, or the TileBoy function section, I should say. In the TileBoy function section, we made a big index of all of the TileBoy functions within the section and a short description about what they do. Okay, let's keep on going. Okay, TileBoy simulation put U32. It takes the tile size exponent, layer, simulation tile X and Y, and the U32 binary tile we want to set. We're going to error check the inputs, basically bounds check them, make sure they're in the valid bounds. And then down here, if STX and STY is within the simulation edge bounds, then we are... God, why are we bounds checking it over here then? Oh, okay. So this is like this is kind of a hard bound, and this is more of a soft bound. Yeah, okay. So STX, STY, and GTX, GTY, they're actually in the same coordinate space. So STX, STY, that's the simulation tile. It's actually a GTX, GTY value that is bounded between like a sub-selection. A sub-selection of the global tile space where we're allowed to run simulation code. So if we're allowed to run simulation code, then we're going to carry over this into GTX and GTY and call editor put. Eventually, you want to hard code the math rather than reuse the editor code, but for now, that's good. Okay. Otherwise, we do nothing if we're out of bounds, right? Return nothing because it's a putter, not a getter. Okay, so the simulation get U32 takes the tile size, the layer, simulation tile X, simulation tile Y. It does not take a U32. We're going to bounds check right here, and then we're going to set the binary tile to 0 when we declare it. If we are inside the bounds of the simulation region, then we're going to carry over STX, STY to GTX, GTY, and we're going to call the editor putter now, or sorry, the editor getter, and then eventually we'll hard code the math rather than reuse the editor code, because we want to keep the simulation getter and putter decoupled from the editor getter and putter. Okay, so if we are not within the bounds, then we're just going to return 0 if we're kind of sampling out of bounds, and then we'll return the binary tile here. Okay, in CONWAYS rule set number 1 here, we're going to do this code in the next video. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I'm Kanji Coder. Like and subscribe.